Alright, the goal of deducibles is to try to fill in the bubbles at the top with a word using the clues and the letters below. So the way it says to start is to examine the first row, and notice that it says T-O-O-T-S, and there's one correct letter, and that letter is in the right place. So since there's only one correct letter and it's in the right place, here's what we do. The rules state the solution does not use any letter more than once, and that any letter that appears more than once throughout the entire puzzle should be crossed out. If you look, throughout the entire puzzle, the letters T and O are repeated several times. So we can actually cross all of those T's and O's out right now. So here's what I'm going to do. Oops, let's use the black one for that. T-O-O-T-O-T-O-T-O-O. Alright, so that gets rid of a lot of letters for us to look at. And if you'll notice, that first row has only one letter left. It's an S, and it's in the right place, so we know the S can go right into that spot. Now we look at the second row. There's an M and an R left behind, and then the clue is that there's one correct letter in this row, and it's in the right place. Well, if it's in the right place, it can't be this R, because there's already an S in its place, so it has to be the M. So now we look at the third row, and it's got an E, A, R, and Y. I didn't notice before, but there was already an R, so all the R's can be crossed out, all the Y's can be crossed out. There's two of those. I think the E and the A were not repeated. And notice that it says an E and an A, and the clue is two correct, and they're in the right place. So that means that the E and the A have to go there. And the last row says an L and a P, and it says that there's one correct letter, but it's in the wrong place. Well, there's only one column left. That's this column. So if we choose the P, it would be in the right place, and we want a letter that's in the wrong place. So it has to be the L in order to go into this spot. And that makes sense, because the word is meals instead of meeps. That's how you do it. Have fun.